Hi everyone, it's Sarah, and today I want to show you my social network that I created. So the platform that I decided to use is Instagram, and I decided to create an account, Miss Sarah's Toddler Activities. And this account is really a place where I share my ideas and what I do in the classroom and show how you can do these fun, easy activities at home with your own child. So my main audience for this is either other early childhood teachers or even just families that want to do something fun with their children at home. So I would share this activity with my own parents. I could give them the link and tell them that they can follow it for some kind of fun, cool things to do in the classroom. So taking a little bit of a look into it, you can see that I have 7 posts so far. And within each post I give the finished product, which is what you're going to see. And then let's take a look into this one. So I have the finished product. I have what I did initially, the resources that I used, kind of in the moment of what I was doing, as well as a little video of what I did with the child. And then I also have a description on the side that talks about the activity, what I did to prepare for it, and some of the great advantages of it. So I really like using Instagram because I'm able to share both pictures, videos, and text, and it's a great way to kind of get that information out like fast with as much information possible as I can. So some of the great things about sharing videos is if the video is longer than a minute, then it would go under what is called the IGTV or Instagram TV. So you would click right on my account, and as you can see, I don't have anything, but it'll take anything that's 1 minute to 60 minutes long. So if I were to upload kind of a tutorial video or something else about talking about fun educational strategies, it could show up right here on my account, so it's very easy to access for families. Another great advantage is you can save posts. So if a family has me on their Instagram and they're scrolling through their feed, then all they have to do is hit save, and then on their own account it would go under saved. So they can go back and say, oh, I really like this, I want to do this one. So it's a great way to kind of pinpoint and be able to go back on anything that they could do. So another cool feature that this Instagram has is, let's say, oh, St. Patrick's Day. I could click on it, and it compiles all of the different information into little stories. So you can go and you could see the supplies used, and it narrates what gets done almost in the same way that these posts do, but you're able to group them by category. So right now I have Dr. Seuss, I have dinosaurs, and I have St. Patrick's Day. So I've just found that there's a lot of cool different things that you can utilize, and my account's open. So I would love for you guys to check it out, read through some of my posts. You could do that with the link that is going to be with the video, and I can't wait to hear from you. So thank you.